In English, the structures have got and has got primarily convey the meaning of possession and are generally preferred in everyday spoken language over the simple have-has verbs. Depending on the subject, have got is used for I, you, we, they, while has got is used for he, she, it. Negative sentences are formed as haven't got, hasn't got, and questions are formed by placing the auxiliary verb at the beginning, e.g., have you got? While there is no difference in meaning, they are very commonly used with contractions, like I've got or she's got, and there is no need for additional auxiliary verbs like do, does, when forming sentences with these structures.
I have got a new smartphone. You have got a beautiful smile. We have got 3 cats at home. They have got a big garden. I have got 2 sisters and 1 brother. He has got a red bicycle. She has got long black hair. It has got 4 legs. My father has got a new job. The house has got a large balcony. Have you got a minute? Have we got enough time to catch the train? Have they got children? Have I got your phone number correct? Have you got any plans for the weekend? Has he got a car? Has she got a university degree? Has it got a USB port? Has your brother got a girlfriend? Has the restaurant got a vegetarian menu? What have you got in your bag? How many siblings has she got? Where have they got the money from? I haven't got any money in my wallet. You haven't got anything to wear for the party. We haven't got a dishwasher in the kitchen. They haven't got a clue about the surprise. I haven't got time to wait for you. He hasn't got a driving license yet. She hasn't got any sisters. It hasn't got a battery. My uncle hasn't got a mobile phone. The hotel hasn't got a swimming pool.
Let me tell you a little story about 2 helpful brothers, have got and has got. They live in the English language, and their job is to help people talk about what they own, what they look like, or even what problems they have. The rule is simple. Have got goes with I, you, we, and they. For example, I have got a new bicycle, or they have got blue eyes. On the other hand, has got is the shy brother who only appears with he, she, and it. So you say, she has got a cold, or he has got a kind smile. To make a question, just send have or has to the front. Have you got a pen? Or has she got a sister? And if you want to say no, just add not. We haven't got any milk, or he hasn't got a clue. So remember, whether you are talking about your backpack, your pet, or your messy room, let these 2 brothers help you tell your story.